This is your extreme weather outlook here on this Thursday. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. Still watching Nicholas, now post-tropical, but still producing heavy rain along the central Gulf Coast. Watching a severe storm threaten the upper Midwest today, and some much-needed rain on the way for the Pacific Northwest. But here's a look at radar from post-tropical cyclone Nicholas across the Gulf Coast here. As we went through the morning hours, can see some areas of heavier rain moving on through. We did see record rain in Baton Rouge and Hattiesburg during the day on your Wednesday. Flood watch is still in place from Louisiana to the Florida Panhandle, including New Orleans, Mobile, and Pensacola, as these areas could see an additional 1 to 5 inches of rain through at least Friday. You can see that heavier rain area here on our maps, those yellows and oranges indicating that 3 to 5 inch potential. And moisture is going to stay in place across these regions even after Nicholas fades away through the weekend and into early next week. So more heavy downpours possible in these areas into next week as well. Meanwhile, we are watching 2 areas here in the Atlantic that have a high chance of formation within the next 5 days and the next 2 days. We'll keep an eye on them as we head through the next several days. Odette and Peter are the next names for the Atlantic. As we look at your severe threat here on this Thursday, a slight risk in the upper Midwest. Large hail and damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado or two will be possible as storms form late this afternoon into the evening hours and move on through with a cold front moving through the region. Areas from Duluth to the Twin Cities to Sioux Falls could see at least a half an inch of rainfall. Meanwhile, areas that need the rain are the Pacific Northwest. Seattle and Portland have seen their driest June 15th through September 15th on record. And we do have a pattern change on the way with rain Friday into Saturday for portions of the Pacific Northwest. Seattle and Portland could see at least 1/3 to 2/3 of an inch of rain with higher amounts at higher elevations.